Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nola Viva, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did my own silk press at home and how I got some pretty good results while doing so. So I'm going to start out with this Silkout System Balancing Wash. It's a very unique wash. It really prepares your hair for being straightened, hence it being by the brand called Silkout System. So I am going to be using all of Silkout System's products in this video. I've had the pleasure of using their products now for over a year, and they are truly amazing. I get great results all the time when I use their products. So I wash my hair with that and then I rinse it out. And again, you really feel a huge difference when you use this. So I'm going to follow it up with the balancing wash, because when you pair these together, oh my God, that your hair just will feel so soft and so amazing. Like, it really feels like a huge difference, you guys. I cannot emphasize that enough. It's not a regular wash and conditioner. So when I'm using a conditioner, I do like to go through and detangle my hair and look at those curls. That you can see, basically the moisture is definitely there, which I certainly need because my hair is very, very dry since I've colored it. So this stuff works really, really good. So now I did want to mention that I straightened my hair twice. The second time I went back in with this protein treatment because I realized my hair definitely needed some type of strengthening. So protein helps to strengthen your hair. And then I followed it up with this Cara mask right here. So this is actually just going to add intensive moisture in my hair, which also my hair really needed, because since coloring it, it's been a lot more drier these days. Basically, my hair strands are very, very open, so moisture gets in easy, but it leaves just as easy. So here my hair is actually pretty good. So now I'm going to go in with this Silkout serum. This is actually a leave-in as well as a heat protectant, which is really nice. I like to make sure I just go through and make sure it's on all of my hair to protect it. And then I go in with this nourishing oil and then just really get that on all of my hair as well, so that it is ready to be blow dried. So now let's get into this blow dryer. This blow dryer is actually a brush. It's a 2-in-1, so it's very, very lightweight, which I love. And it's easy to just go ahead and change the settings right here. You could do high, you could do low, you could do cool as well. So I'm gonna go in and blow dry my hair. I'm going to do this on the high setting, and I like to start at the ends first and then work my way up. It's really awesome because you don't have to always, turn it on and blow dry. You can actually detangle your hair while the blow dryer is off, to just go ahead and, start your hair without having to add all that heat to it while trying to detangle it at the same time. Now, I do like to make sure I go in at those roots and really make sure I blow dry down so it can get a really nice blowout, because a really good blowout leads to a really good silk press in the end. So here's my hair once I was all done. So I did time this one time. It was about 45 minutes to do my entire head. And what I really loved is that my arms weren't hurting afterwards and I wasn't all hot and sweaty. Like, I really, really, really love this blow dry brush. It just makes this process so easy. Now this is the Silk and Seal Style Spray. It actually is supposed to help with humidity. Now, I did use this on the first time I straightened my hair, and I'll go into more details on why I chose to leave it out the second time I straightened my hair. But first, let me go over the flat iron. So this is going to be the flat iron I'm using, and I'm going to use the setting of 420 degrees. Now, I like to use this with a brush. This brush is from Amazon. It has boar bristles on the inside, which is great for grabbing up my hair and making sure it's straight as I'm passing through with the flat iron, so I can get a really nice sleek press. Now, the reason why I chose to leave out this styling spray the second time was because I realized it actually has alcohol in it. So my hair looked really good the first time I straightened it, but the following day it was very dry because, again, I have high porosity hair, so it moisture gets in, but it leaves very, very quickly. So the second time I chose to just leave this out to, prolong my style. But right now I'm going to show you guys, these are my ends. They look horrendous, so I am going to go through a trim. But I also wanted to show you, this is how I do a normal pass. So I like to do one long pass on 420 because 420 is certainly hot enough to get it straight and not have to do a ton of passes. So that's what I like to do. And so I started to cut my hair because I was just so excited. Like, I was happy with how my hair was looking, but the ends were so horrible that the hair wasn't flowing. So I just started like cutting on my hair. I was super excited, but I should have waited until the end, which I will show you why in the end. But I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up and show you guys how I straighten my hair. So here's my hair once I was all done. As you can see, those ends look a mess. So I'm definitely going to go through and do a trim. But I also did want to mention that you guys don't have to use 420. That's just what I use. I didn't have any heat damage, so do what's best for you. So to trim my hair, I'm going to go ahead and comb it out so I can visibly see where it starts to thin out. So I'm starting a little bit below where I started to notice it thinning. And then I'm just cutting straight across with some shears. So I wasn't aiming to like cut away all the damage or do like a perfect blunt cut or anything like that. I really just wanted to start somewhere comfortable for me with getting back on a healthy journey for my hair. So earlier when I mentioned I started cutting because I got excited, this is the result of that. So I definitely had to go in and kind of cut a little bit higher, just so I can get, it to look a little even. But this is my results in the end. And now this is me after I straightened my hair the second time. So basically I went back the second time and added a protein treatment as well as the intensive moisture mask, because being that I colored my hair and it's very high porosity, it dries out very, very quickly. So I needed to add some strength to it and add something that would help the moisture last longer in my hair. So I definitely felt I got much better results the second time around with adding those things. And the second time I made sure when I passed with the flat iron, I made sure to do a nice slow pass on all of my hair because I kind of sped through some parts and it didn't look as sleek like how it does now. Lastly, I left out the styling spray because I felt as though adding alcohol to my already dry hair would dry out even more. To finish this off, I'm going to add this glow spray. So this is just going to add like a really beautiful high shine natural looking finish. So as you can see, that's how it's looking, and it's very lightweight, so it doesn't weigh your hair down. It just gives it, it's like a cherry on top basically. It just gives it a very beautiful salon like finish in the end. So yes, you guys, I'm loving my results. It was definitely giving body, it was giving shine, it was giving flow, and it's giving stiff wear. So I'm very happy with Silkout Systems products. I always get bomb silk press looks when I use their products. So everything will be linked in the description below, but I'm also going to show you guys how I reverted my hair back to their curls so you can see that I did not get any heat damage. So basically, I just run my hair under some lukewarm water until I feel and see my curls revert back. After that, I went in with this Revive Intense Repair Mask, and as you can see, the curls are back. So I just put that on all of my hair, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some additional heat so I can really deeply penetrate. So I'm going to use this Silkout System heated gel cap. So this is really cool. The little squares have little gel capsules inside. You put this in the microwave for like a minute or so, and it'll heat up so that it can really trap heat inside to open up your hair shaft and really help to deeply penetrate the product. So here's my hair once I rinsed it all out. As you can see, the curls are popping. So I actually do have two curl patterns. So at the very top middle of my head, it's a much looser curl pattern than the rest of my hair. So my hair is still wet too on the ends, so that's just why it kind of looks like that. But I am so in love. I'm so happy my curls are back. I had a really nice silk press. So you guys, if you're interested in these products, they all will be linked down below by Silkout System. I also have a coupon code so you can save some coins. So let me know what you guys thought about this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more if you are interested in more hair, life, fashion videos as well. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.